Alright guys, so this is your receiver. You can connect this to various devices such as your laptop, your phone, or your camera. So we got the lightning port here, we got a Type-C port here, and then we got the interface port here. So you can go ahead and use these two for your phone. You can use this possibly for your camera or your laptop. So really easy. And we got all these symbols here. They all mean different things, but we got the connection indicator here. We got the battery indicator here. And yeah, I would say that's kind of the most important functions you need to know. And now let's go into the actual mic. So this is the actual mic that you're going to be putting on. So let's just go over a few features of these. So we have the on off power button, and then we got the increase or decrease in volume. And then over here, we got the battery indicator light. This is the light indicating if your device is connected. And then we have the mute button here if you want to go ahead and mute the audio. Then we go ahead and have noise reduction. So when you're connected to the mic, it's gonna indicate noise reduction here. You can have the option to switch it off if you would like. And this is the reverb function. Basically, reverb function is how natural your voice is gonna sound within the mic. So pretty easy to work with. And then we have that charging port here as well, and the clip in the back. Hi guys, this is my audio without using the mic. So I just wanted to show you exactly how the sound quality is going to sound without using the wireless mic. Clearly I have it on me, but it is not currently on. And then now let me show you guys when I do turn it on, and I want you to see the difference and how much it impacts your videos. How is the audio now? Does it sound better? I'm sure it does. So I also want to show you guys not blinking. That little chain link, it means that you're connected to the device. So that's a good sign. I'm gonna put it back on. And yeah, that is a very simple mic to use. I love the fact that it's wireless, and the fuzzy aspect of it is super crucial if you film a lot of videos outside. Highly recommend mics when you're making content. It just makes the audio sound a lot more quality, especially on YouTube when you have a professional video presentation as well. So highly recommend this product. It's been super easy to use. It's practical, comes with a charger, super easy to use and charge. So